Hey, Doc Rob here. You know, one of the most popular questions I get on a weekly basis is, Doc, I have lower back pain and it's always on one particular side. So let me just kind of show you here with the spine. You can see the spinal cord runs down the spine and there's a nerve that exits each side of the vertebra. So there's a right and left, and those nerves are communicating with your muscles in the back, your legs. They're communicating with your organs in your lower torso, like the large intestine, your prostate, reproductive organs. So what happens is, most commonly, is our pelvis misaligns. Our pelvis actually rotates back. It affects the L5 and L4 vertebra. They are not moving ideally. And over time, when seated positions or activities, we develop injuries, we develop stress on the particular nerve, and that can cause a shooting pain or a spasm or numbness on one particular side. So a chiropractor, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna locate the misalignment and I'm gonna gently adjust that joint, reducing the stress on the joint and the nerve. So I don't really treat your symptom, I don't rub your muscles. So today I'm gonna demonstrate on Miss Des here. So we're gonna adjust just her pelvis in L5. Okay, so what I'm gonna have Miss Des do is she is actually going to lie on her side facing me. Okay, so we're gonna focus on just the two vertebrae. So go ahead and face me, Des. Good. And you're gonna hold on right here. So we locate the vertebra right here, her SI joint, sacroiliac joint, and L5. I want you to take a deep breath in and exhale. Good. Very good. Okay, higa. Okay, so now with that adjustment, what we're doing is we're instantly reducing the stress on the joint, instantly improving nerve function. So again, we're not treating her symptom. I'm gonna recommend to see her again so that I can get that joint really to stabilize and hold. If you're suffering from any type of ailments that I've discussed earlier, please don't hesitate to find me on Instagram or Facebook. You can message me there with any questions and we can set up a time for you to come in. I look forward to seeing you in the clinic. Deep breath. Okay, higa. So tigas. Okay, that's wow, so stiff. Grabe. No wonder ulo sakit.